This video is to answer the question, how do you recommend we clean our floors? Because we clean tile floors and then seal them, and a lot of the times our clients, they want to know what we recommend. So this is specifically to answer that question. But this video also applies to anybody that might have floors that they're going to mop, ever. Pretty much anything other than carpet, this video has a little information for you. It's going to be a mop bucket, and you're going to need some cleaner. We recommend a neutral cleaner, and if you're not familiar with neutral cleaners, check out this video. I'll explain it all to you. Oh, I guess it would be this video. Check out this video. It'll explain what you need to know about neutral cleaners, why they're great, how to get them. Fourth thing you're going to need, some hot water. Fifth thing, some dirty floors. Sixth thing, some fans. Start by mixing your neutral cleaner into your mop bucket with your hot water. Follow the directions with the cleaners too. You don't want to overuse or abuse them. That'll leave sticky residue on your floor. It'll leave your floor soapy. Don't want to do that. So follow the directions, use hot water, mix it in your mop bucket. Next thing, mop your floors. Just as you ever have, mop your floors. Third thing, dump your nasty mop water into the toilet. You can dump it outside if you'd like to. I recommend into the toilet. Toilets are self-flushing, and if you spill a little bit, guess what? Mop it up. Here's the big key point. This is the important part. Refill your mop bucket after you've rinsed it. Refill it with just hot water. You're gonna mop again. That's right. And then, after you're done mopping the second time, dump that water and mop a third time. You ever washed some dishes and just set them in the strainer without rinsing them? You ever skip that part, rinsing them? No. If you wash a cup, you rinse it out, dump it. See there's soap in it, you rinse it again, dump it. And it's the same principle with cleaning your floor. That's why we recommend mopping 3 times. Highly recommended. If you have any fans, put them down. Box fans, tower fans, you know, whatever. I recommend using ceiling fans if you have them in your house, and if you don't have any fans, I got you. Check this out. Go to your AC unit, open it up, and click fan from auto to on, or whatever direction you move it. Let's button press, you get the idea. Now, to recap everything, use a neutral cleaner. Fill your mop bucket with hot water. Mop as normal. Dump your water, refill with hot water. Mop again and again. And if you have fans, put them down, or at least get the air circulating, and that's gonna help your floors dry a whole lot faster. Thanks for watching. If you found this video informative, please share it with your friends. We'd really appreciate it. Have a good one. Take one. That's my daughter. Just kind of, I'm gonna have to turn that off.